The world of cryptocurrency has witnessed a meteoric rise in recent years. Two names that have consistently dominated headlines and captured the imagination of investors are Bitcoin and Ethereum. Bitcoin, often hailed as the pioneer of decentralized digital currency, emerged in 2009. It quickly gained traction for its revolutionary technology and its promise of secure, transparent transactions. Ethereum, launched in 2015, took the concept of blockchain technology a step further. It introduced smart contracts, self-executing agreements that automate transactions and enable the creation of decentralized applications. This innovation propelled Ethereum to the forefront of the crypto revolution, establishing it as a formidable force alongside Bitcoin. These two crypto giants have not only revolutionized the financial landscape, but have also sparked countless debates and discussions. One of the most prominent revolves around their respective methods of securing the network and rewarding participants, mining and staking. Understanding these mechanisms is crucial for anyone looking to delve into the world of cryptocurrencies in 2025 and beyond. The year 2022 marked a pivotal moment in the history of Ethereum. It underwent a significant technological shift, transitioning from a proof-of-work to a proof-of-stake model. This transition, often referred to as the merge, had a profound impact on how Ethereum operates and how individuals can participate in its network. Before the merge, Ethereum, like Bitcoin, relied on mining to secure its network. This process involved miners competing to solve complex mathematical puzzles. The first miner to solve the puzzle would add a new block of transactions to the blockchain, earning a reward in the process. However, this energy-intensive process drew criticism for its environmental impact. The shift to proof-of-stake marked a departure from this energy-consuming model. In a proof-of-stake system, validators instead of miners are responsible for securing the network. Instead of solving puzzles, validators lock up or stake a certain amount of their cryptocurrency. In this case, Ethereum, to participate in validating transactions and adding new blocks to the blockchain. This process is significantly more energy efficient and is seen as a more sustainable approach to securing a blockchain network. Bitcoin mining, the process of verifying transactions and adding them to the Bitcoin blockchain, remains a topic of considerable interest in 2025. While it can be a potentially lucrative endeavor, it's crucial to understand the factors that influence its profitability. The allure of earning Bitcoin rewards continues to entice individuals and businesses alike, but the landscape has become increasingly competitive. One of the most significant factors affecting profitability is the price of Bitcoin itself. When the price of Bitcoin rises, the rewards for mining increase as well. Conversely, a decline in Bitcoin's value can significantly impact the profitability of mining operations, especially for those with high operating costs. Another crucial factor is the cost of electricity. Bitcoin mining requires substantial computational power, which translates into high energy consumption. Miners need access to cheap and reliable electricity to maximize their profits. Regions with low electricity rates often attract large-scale mining operations seeking to minimize expenses. Despite the challenges, Bitcoin mining continues to attract participants due to its potential rewards. Miners play a crucial role in securing the Bitcoin network, and their efforts are rewarded with newly minted Bitcoins. This incentive mechanism is at the heart of Bitcoin's decentralized nature. However, the mining landscape has evolved significantly since its early days. The increasing difficulty of mining, coupled with the emergence of large-scale mining farms, has made it more challenging for individual miners to compete effectively. Specialized hardware known as ASICs has become essential for mining Bitcoin, further increasing the barrier to entry. The environmental impact of Bitcoin mining is another significant concern. The energy-intensive nature of the process has drawn criticism from environmental advocates, leading to calls for more sustainable alternatives. While some miners have started exploring renewable energy sources, the overall environmental footprint of Bitcoin mining remains a topic of debate. Section 5. Ethereum staking, a new era of passive income. Ethereum's transition to proof-of-stake, or POS, has introduced a new way for individuals to participate in its network and earn rewards staking. This mechanism has gained considerable traction as a more accessible and energy-efficient alternative to mining. Staking involves locking up a certain amount of Ethereum or ETH as collateral to become a validator on the network. Validators are responsible for verifying transactions and adding new blocks to the blockchain. In return for their participation, they receive rewards in the form of ETH. This process is often compared to earning interest on a traditional savings account, albeit with the potential for much higher returns. One of the most significant advantages of staking is its relatively low barrier to entry. Unlike mining, which requires specialized hardware and technical expertise, staking can be done by anyone with a computer and an internet connection. Numerous platforms and exchanges offer staking services, making it easier for individuals to participate. Section 6. Weighing the pros and cons of Ethereum staking. While Ethereum staking presents an attractive opportunity for passive income, it's essential to consider both its advantages and disadvantages. On the positive side, staking is far more energy efficient than mining. This makes it a more environmentally friendly option, addressing one of the most significant criticisms of proof-of-work blockchains. Additionally, staking rewards are generally more predictable than mining rewards, which can fluctuate significantly based on factors like network difficulty and cryptocurrency prices. However, staking also has its drawbacks. One of the main concerns is the lock-up period. When you stake your ETH, it's typically locked for a certain period, during which you cannot access or trade it. This lack of liquidity can be a significant disadvantage, especially in a volatile market. Section 7. Exploring alternatives mining opportunities beyond Ethereum. For miners who previously focused on Ethereum, the shift to proof-of-stake has led to a search for alternative cryptocurrencies that still utilize proof-of-work. Fortunately, several options exist, each with its own set of characteristics and potential rewards. One prominent alternative is Ethereum Classic, a hard fork of Ethereum that maintained the original proof-of-work consensus mechanism. Miners who prefer the familiar mining process of Ethereum can find a home in Ethereum Classic. Other proof-of-work cryptocurrencies worth exploring include Ravencoin, a blockchain focused on asset creation and transfer, and Ergo, which aims to improve upon Bitcoin's design. When evaluating these alternatives, miners should consider factors such as the cryptocurrency's price stability, trading volume, and overall community support. It's also crucial to research the mining difficulty and hash rate of each cryptocurrency to assess potential profitability. Section 8. Making the choice: Bitcoin mining or Ethereum staking. The decision of whether to engage in Bitcoin mining or Ethereum staking is a personal one that depends on individual circumstances, risk tolerance, and investment goals. There's no one-size-fits-all answer, and each option comes with its own set of potential rewards and risks. Bitcoin mining, with its higher potential returns, may appeal to those with a higher risk appetite and a longer investment horizon. However, it requires significant upfront investment in hardware, access to cheap electricity, and a tolerance for market volatility. Ethereum staking, on the other hand, offers a more accessible and predictable way to earn rewards. It's a suitable option for those seeking a more passive income stream with lower risk and lower entry barriers. Before making a decision, it's crucial to conduct thorough research, understand the technical aspects of both options, and carefully assess your financial situation. Consulting with a financial advisor can provide valuable insights and help you make an informed choice. Section 9. Navigating the future of crypto, a call for constant learning. The world of cryptocurrencies is constantly evolving. New technologies emerge, regulations change, and market dynamics shift rapidly. In this dynamic landscape, staying informed is paramount to success. Whether you choose to engage in Bitcoin mining, Ethereum staking, or explore other opportunities within the crypto ecosystem, continuous learning is essential. Keep abreast of the latest developments in blockchain technology, market trends, and regulatory changes. Engage with the crypto community, participate in forums and discussions, and seek out resources from reputable sources. The more you learn, the better equipped you'll be to navigate the exciting and ever-changing world of cryptocurrencies. Remember, the information provided here is current as of January 7th, 2025. The cryptocurrency landscape can change quickly. Continuous research, adaptation, and a willingness to learn are key to thriving in this exciting and potentially lucrative market.